In January 1941, under British house arrest in Calcutta, Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose orchestrated a daring escape that would alter India's fight for independence. Confined within his Elgin Road residence, Bose was under constant surveillance. British intelligence monitored his every move, aiming to stifle his revolutionary spirit. Determined to continue the struggle, Bose devised a meticulous escape plan. He adopted the guise of Mohammad Ziauddin, a Pathan insurance agent. To complete the transformation, he grew a beard. He honed his Urdu to perfection, ensuring his new identity was convincing. Feigning illness, Bose confined himself to his room, lowering the guards' vigilance. His nephew, Sisir Kumar, became a trusted ally in the escape plan. They chose a 1937 Wanderer W24 sedan for the journey. Sisir's late-night visits became routine, arousing no suspicion. On January 16, 1941, at 1:30 a.m., the plan was set into motion. Disguised, he slipped past the unsuspecting guards. With the guards unaware, Netaji stepped into the Wanderer, his heart racing as the escape began. Sisir started the engine slowly, blending into the quiet Kolkata streets. As they approached a British checkpoint, tension filled the car. One wrong move could end it all. A soldier glanced inside, but saw only a bearded Pathan in deep thought. They were waved through. Once past the checkpoint, they accelerated towards Burdwan, covering miles swiftly. At Burdwan, Netaji changed into a new disguise, refining his transformation. Before sunrise, they reached Gomo railway station, the most crucial part of the escape. With his new identity, he waited for the Kalka mail, avoiding eye contact with British officers nearby. A distant whistle. The Kalka mail approached, a crucial gateway to freedom. He stepped inside, heart pounding. His greatest test was just beginning. Inside, he remained silent, keeping his head low as the train departed. Unbeknownst to him, British officers were on the same train, searching for a fugitive. He kept his face hidden behind a newspaper as an officer walked past, just inches away. After days of tense travel, he arrived in Peshawar, stepping into new danger. From Peshawar, he walked through the treacherous Khyber Pass into Afghanistan. In Kabul, he obtained fake papers to continue his journey undetected. From Afghanistan, he secretly traveled to Moscow, escaping British reach. In Berlin, he met Hitler, seeking support for India's freedom struggle. His escape led to the formation of the INA, a force that shook the British Empire. What do you think? Was Netaji's escape the turning point of India's freedom struggle? Comment below.